Hello everyone, my name is Shanan. I represent TECHNOLOGICS, headquartered in Malleshwaram, Bangalore. In today's episode of a success story, I will be hosting along with my guest, Mr. Madan. And
Okay.
we really appreciate your time to share your insights of how did you get into this dream company. Basically, it's called Siemens. So we are very
Okay.
excited to hear from you, and we would like to keep it very short, and we would like to understand a few things from you with your success
Okay.
story, which can help a few other candidates also to get into the dream companies like which you got into. So, how did you get this dream job with Siemens, and what are the prerequisites or skills that is
Okay.
required to get into the dream companies like which you got into? Can you please share some insights to us?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Firstly, good evening to everyone. My name is Madan Mohan. I am from Ballari, Karnataka, and I have recently graduated from Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am recently joined Technologies Innovative, where I have trained their PLC, SCADA, and next HMI and VFD. Moreover, it was helped to me to crack this interview also. Mainly they have asked related to like circuit breakers, relays, and basics of PLC.
Okay.
And next and related to electrical background, they have asked me more.
Okay. Thank you.
Regarding the
For joining today's success story. It was really exciting to look at the effort that you have put to get into the dream companies like many other candidates are looking for. And we wish you very best of luck in your future. Thank
Okay.
you,
Thank you.
Madan. Thank you.
Thank you.